All right, April 7th, a little later in the afternoon here, 2025, I made a decision. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Great feedback. Feedback. We call it feedback. B-O-K. Bird talk. All right, I selected 3 drawings which I cut out, which I did in Scotland in August 1987, a year before the Pan Am jet was bombed. Seaweed. Studies of seaweed I did. And it was raining. That one here, so I'm going to glue these down here, here, and here. I also found a drawing I think I did in West Palm Beach, Florida. After all, everything's interconnected nowadays. And I've done this in the probably 1990s of a anthill. It was like a, anyway, it makes me think of Earth. All right, to be continued. I have to finish this, and I'm going to draw another allegorical sea monster up here. And I'm probably going to paint this sky blue here. Okay, to be continued. Thank you again, Dr. Chi. Appreciate it. As they say in Britain, ta.